Depending on the browser you choose, you get a different view of the internet. It might be minimal, or customizable, or simple, but the browser shouldn't be the focus. Your favorite sites should be. It'd be like focusing on the theater and not the play. Wouldn't it be great if your sites and applications weren't trapped in the browser? For Internet Explorer 9, we used our deep understanding of how people use the browser, Windows, and set commonly used controls like an enlarged back button and combined address bar and search box quietly in the browser frame. Shh, no distractions. Then, we made sure that all the conventions you've learned using Windows apply to the browser so that you can take tabs and snap them to the side of the screen. Websites can be pinned and opened directly from the taskbar. They're meeting you where you already are, just like applications on Windows. And when you pin your favorite site, Internet Explorer 9 dresses to match. Sites can add jump lists and thumbnail previews that make them feel more like applications running on your Windows PC. Internet Explorer 9 fades into the background so your sites shine. And through seamless integration with Windows, you can experience the web the way it was meant to be experienced. It's time for a more beautiful web.